Welcome to Torrpeneur, the home of cutting-edge insights. Today we're diving into the future with Grok, Elon Musk's latest marvel in the AI universe, right here on Torrpeneur. Elon Musk has once again disrupted the AI universe with Grok. This artificial intelligence assistant, developed by Musk's startup XA, is unlike anything you've ever seen. Grok makes all other bots seem primitive, and today, we're going to explore why on Torrpeneur. Grok's personality is a real innovation. Breaking free from the monotonous politeness of other assistants, Grok adds a refreshing touch of humor, sarcasm, and delightful banter. It's the class clown of artificial intelligence, injecting fun and meaning into every interaction. But it's not just about personality. Grok's real-time capabilities set it apart. Constantly pulling up to the second data from Musk's X platform, Grok stays on the pulse of pop culture news and trends. And here's the kicker. Grok might even gain senses like vision and hearing over time, aiming for an unparalleled understanding of the world. It's not just an AI, it's a game changer, and you can be a part of it for an exclusive price. For just $16 per month as an X Premium Plus subscriber, you get exclusive access to Grok. It's not just an AI friend, it's a companion with razor-sharp wit, pop culture references, and the potential for vision and hearing. Now, that's an incredible deal on Torrpeneur. While Grok is leaving older chatbots in the dust, the competition is heating up. Google's Gemini is making waves, but Grok's secret lies in its well-rounded capabilities. It aims for versatility, real-time integration, visionary architecture, and an engaging personality. Grok is not just an AI, it's the future. Its balanced blend of strengths positions it to outpace specialized competitors and unlock AI's full potential. Elon Musk has kickstarted a thrilling new AI era with Grok, and this is just the beginning on Torrpeneur. As we navigate this technological revolution, let's proactively address emerging risks and guide innovation with ethics at the forefront. Grok sets the stage for machines that truly understand us. It's an inspiring journey, and we invite you to join us. Together, let's make it a story of wisdom passed down, right here on Torrpeneur. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you in our next video.